how to bulk delete or archive Instagram posts, reels, and videos. Now, if we want to locate the deleted Instagram posts, reels, or videos that we have on our Instagram account, all we have to do is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner and click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once we're here, we just have to scroll down and locate your activity, which is right here. So we just have to click on that. We just have to scroll down on our activity right here and tap on post, reels, or highlight. Now we can just tap on post right here and we will be able to see every post that we have on our Instagram account. Now we can filter it or sort it from newest to oldest. We can filter it to which state we want it to be, or we can tap on include location to see those posts that have location in it. Now, if we want to altogether delete or archive an Instagram post, all we have to do is to tap on the select button right here and mark off every post that we want to delete. We can archive it or delete it permanently. So that's how to bulk delete or archive Instagram posts, reels, and videos. Hope we help.